Hey everyone, today I am here with my monthly favorites for the month of January. I don't have very many, but I did want to go ahead and film this video and share with you some of the products that I've really been enjoying and getting a lot of use from. I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. Like I said, I don't have a ton. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products total, and I'm excited to share them with you. The first product that I have here is from Juice Beauty. The label is pretty much worn off. I got this at Generation Beauty last year, and this is just a face oil. I have pretty normal slightly combo skin, but it's pretty normal. It's not too dry, not too oily, but for whatever reason, over the past month and a half or so, I've had really dry patches right here in the forehead area and around my nose. And so what I do is I take just a little bit of this. It's got this nice dropper, and I just drop a little bit of this into my moisturizer at night, and it worked wonders to eliminate the dry patches. So now I'm back to like the same skin that I had before. The only thing is about this oil that I do notice when I use it regularly is that I get breakouts like on my chin area, and I really don't suffer from a lot of breakouts, but I definitely get them when I use this oil. So it's kind of like a pro and a con. Like, I got rid of the dry patches, but I've got some blemishes, breakouts now. So I don't know, I like it enough to continue using it to keep getting rid of the dry patches, and I can cover up the blemishes no problem with concealer and foundation and things like that. Next up, I have a foundation. This is one of my favorite foundations. This is from Maybelline. It's the Fit Me foundation, and this is matte and poreless, and it is in shade 102 Fair Porcelain. I love this foundation. It is super matte, super nice. I just apply a little bit on the back of my hand, from there dot it on my face, and then go in with a beauty blender and blend it all out. And it works wonders. It's got great coverage, it's easy to use, and I really do like this foundation. I used to use it a lot all the time, and then I kind of switched over to different foundations, but I'm back using this one. To go with the foundation, I have a concealer. This is one that I wasn't a fan of for quite a while because it's just very thick. It's from IT Cosmetics. This is the Bye Bye Under Eye, and this is in Light Ultra Fair. I believe I got it in an Ipsy bag. I had a darker shade, and maybe that's really why I didn't like it, aside from it being very thick. It wasn't the correct tone. Like, it wasn't brightening because it wasn't lighter than my skin tone. It was just essentially the same type of tone as my skin. But I do really like this. It is very thick, so you really have to work at blending it out. I have a brush from Luxie that I use, and I really like that with it. It blends it out nicely. And also my beauty blender, I do just kind of dab a little bit under my eyes and then just go in with either a brush or a beauty blender, and it covers up dark circles, it brightens the under eye area, and I really do like this. Next up, I have a highlighter. This is from Physicians Formula, and it's the Butter Highlighter in Pearl. This is what the packaging looks like, and this is what it looks like inside. This is such a buttery highlighter. It's incredible. This is what it looks like swiped on. It's just so highlighting and so illuminating, and whatever this is made out of, it is so buttery and soft. It feels kind of wet almost. It's really cool. I really like the formula of it. It's very soft and subtle, but it creates such a beautiful highlight and glow on your skin, and I love it because I do the matte foundation, and so going in with this, it just adds some luminosity back into my face. Next up, I have a blush from Milani. This is an old favorite of mine. It's also like a cult classic on YouTube. It is the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. Mine is pretty much gone. It's pretty much all used up. You can see total pan all over, but it's such a beautiful peachy pink shimmery shade. It's really a nice, and you can't even really see there. You can kind of see a little glimmer there. It's a really nice, like, summery spring type of shade, but it's also like an everyday type of shade. I was using a deeper toned blush, and it was just too much, and I wanted to brighten up my face a little bit more. So I have been going in with this one, and I forgot how much I loved it. I love this blush. It's super inexpensive. It's baked. You can use it wet. You can use it dry. It is amazing. It's such a beautiful shade. Next up, I have a hair product that I received from Ipsy in my January bag. I will have that video linked down below if you want to check it out. But this is from Way Hair Care, and it's a leave-in conditioner. I have been using this especially on my ends to really condition them because I have split ends. I straighten my hair fairly often. I've got naturally like a lion's mane for hair, and I really like this. I wasn't sure about the scent at first. I thought it was a little too florally, but as I've started using it, I've actually really grown to like the scent quite a bit, and I'm almost out, and that makes me very, very sad. I just pump it into my hand, I spray it into my hand, and then work it through my ends, and it helps them to stay detangled throughout the day, which is what I need, and I love it. So I really, really like this product, and I am definitely interested in seeing if I can find it somewhere to purchase it for myself. The last product I have is one that I've talked about. I received it in an influencer box, and this is from Nivea. It's the Nivea cream, and I use this every single day on my arms and on my legs and on my feet and in my dry areas on my body because it is so nice. It's such a thick cream. This is what it looks like. I am almost out, and I'm gonna have to get some more. This has been a lifesaver for my dry skin because nothing was working. Lotion wasn't working. I would get itchy again within minutes. Coconut oil was helping the best, but this is even better than the coconut oil because it's allowing me to stay super moisturized because it is so thick. It's not just like seeping into my skin the way the coconut oil was. And I love this. Like, I don't have to apply it every few minutes or whatever. I can do it and wait 24, 26 hours before I need to apply anymore. And it's just incredible. It's got a clean scent to it. It's very soft, it's very light, and it does dissipate after a couple of minutes. But I do really like this. It has been, like I said, such a lifesaver for me. So if you have dry skin, highly recommend that product. I heard that it's available at Target, so I'm definitely going to go ahead and pick some up if I find it there. I'm assuming Walmart, Rite Aid, those type of places have it as well. Anyways, those are the products that I have been loving and really enjoying for the month of January. Please go ahead and let me know down below what products you have been enjoying, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.
If a picture's worth 1,000 words, I'll paint an invitation to let you in.